Felix in Bridgeport. What's up, Felix?
Hey, how you doing, Mike?
Yeah,
You know, the Mets never are able to get these teams into a bidding war for any players they have. What they need to do is go to Houston, Boston, Tampa Bay, and offer Syndergaard and get a bidding war. We need young position players, athletic players.
I think you're better off, Felix. My feeling on it is when you're going to deal a Syndergaard, you're better off doing it in the second half of the season, when the season's over. For this reason, you bring all the baseball in, and all the baseball will be interested. Plus, the teams you are fighting in the teams you are dealing with in the pennant race, the contending teams do not want to disrupt their everyday lineup, but there might be a young player in the everyday lineup who you could get for Syndergaard, who they are reluctant to give you now, but wouldn't be reluctant to give you in the winter, because then they can replace him. Now they can't. So to me, and now the Mets just went to special coverage here on SNY. So they said they weren't covering it, and now I see I put this SNY on, and now they've gone to special coverage. Awaiting the Brody Van Wagon news conference, it says here. What are you talking
You've
about?
arrived. Destination is on your right.
Oh, now they're starting it here. They're playing a replay of it on SNY. SNY just looks totally bad. So SNY, really, they look like a mess.
Left.
I mean, that's basically it. I mean, they can't do this right. I mean, my God, they should have just taken it from the beginning.
Really, you moron? Come on, you fucking idiot.
Enhance their digital application. That's what it's
A
about.
fucking idiot.
These TV and radio entities have got
Jackass.
to be smarter than this when it comes to this stuff. They just have to be. You're still in the TV business. You're still in the radio business. Don't worry about the digital application so much.
Turn right. Then
And
turn
instead
right.
of doing it right now, people going to the TV and they screwed it up.
Turn right
and
on River
now they're
Road.
going to give you a
What
replay
the
of it.
fuck? What do you mean 15?
With
I don't
Brody.
give a shit. I'm
Back
parked
end.
in here. Who the fuck's gonna...
Live from the Town Fair Tire Studio, it's Mike's On, powered by Town Fair Tire. Nobody beats Town Fair Tire. Nobody. Yankees baseball is back tonight as the Bombers open
got
a
15 minutes
weekend
in a
series
shopping
with the Toronto
center?
Blue
Really?
Jays. John Sterling will be back in the booth, joined by Susan Waldman. Our coverage gets underway at 6:30 here on your flagship station for Yankees talk, tickets, and every game, along with Boomer and Gio. Mornings 6 to 10.
Destination is on your
Francesa
right.
afternoons 3 p.m. to 6:30, and middays with Beningo and Roberts from 10 to 1, and CMB, Carlin, Mackey, and Bart from 1 to 3. The Fan, Sports Radio 101.